Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify sync Shopify and Salesforce through no-code automation, full guide step-by-step clearly. To verify sync between Shopify and Salesforce through no-code automation, start by logging into your Shopify account. Navigate to the Shopify App Store and search for integration tools. Select an app that specializes in connecting Shopify to Salesforce. Install the chosen app by following the on-screen instructions. Once installed, access the app settings from your Shopify dashboard. Next, log in to your Salesforce account. Authorize the app to connect with your Salesforce account by providing the necessary permissions. After successful authorization, return to the app settings in Shopify. Locate the option to map Shopify fields to Salesforce fields. Carefully match the relevant fields such as customer information, order details, and inventory data. Save your field mappings to ensure changes are applied. Proceed to set up a sync schedule based on your business needs. This can typically be done in the Settings section of the integration app. Once the schedule is set, initiate a manual sync to test the integration. Monitor the outcomes of this initial sync for any errors or discrepancies. If errors occur, check your field mappings and permissions for corrections. After the initial sync, review the data in Salesforce to confirm it matches your Shopify data. Make adjustments to the field mappings or sync settings as needed. Regularly monitor the integration for consistency and accuracy. This will ensure that your Shopify and Salesforce data remains aligned over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.